You want to come in the boat?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll pull over there and we'll take him.
No,
in the
take him a
boat.
little bit. That's it. Hello.
રાજરા એને બેસાડી દે કે હું ડેડી બેસી જાય ભેગા
ના ના એ
એ તારું પેડલ ગયું
ફોટો પાડ વિડિયો પાડ.
No, we know.
Because they tried and it's slipping.
No,
Just stay here only because.
Just waiting.
Yeah.
You're on the boat.
You like that?
You like what?
Seema, I can't see you. Okay. Shailen, say hi to Nani. Shailen, say hi to Nani. Nani ne hi karo.
Yes, Shailen.
Okay.
You want to take him down there?
Hi, Monty.
We'll take him there. Just to dock the boat. Okay.
Bye, Shailen. Shailen, say bye-bye to Nani. Bye-bye. You guys are going boating.
We're on the boat.
We'll be okay?
Yeah, we're going to go right
We're just
there.
going right here.
Okay. Need to daddy have.
Meet us over there. and
Dad,
take
you
him
can
back.
walk.
Daddy's going to paddle.
You think you're in the boat?
Yeah, Shailen is in a boat.
Mom, watch out for the boat.
I know.
Daddy's paddle. You want to paddle?
You want that?
Okay,
Yeah.
here,
Shailen, look here.
No, he's busy paddling.
Okay, okay. He's busy.
Oh, you're paddling, Shay.
Oh, you're done? Sean?
What's that, paddling?
You done? Yeah?
I don't. I got my replacement. He's paddling for me.
Paddling.